Hey guys, welcome back to the Novice Tech, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of the ASUS B460-I gaming motherboard mini ITX, and I'm actually excited to see what it looks like inside, so here you go. So what's inside it is the motherboard. Okay, you have the antenna for the Wi-Fi. You have the USB-C audio connection. You have RGB extension cables. A thank you letter from ASUS. SATA cable. M.2 screws. And this is, I have no idea, but I'll figure this out in a little bit. We got CDs, a second set of M.2 screws, and ROG stickers, which is cool. My kids will love this, and that's what's in the box. So let's go take a look at the motherboard itself. So here we have the motherboard, which looks really good. I mean, I'm impressed how nice it looks. So right here, your 24-pin, your 4 SATA connection, and right here you have 2 RAM slot for the 2933 max speed of it. And right here is your M.2 with a heat sink. That's the first one. And right behind it is the second M.2 with a heat sink, which is really cool. There's 2 M.2, so you can have 2 terabytes or more, depends on what size you're buying. And right here, PCI 16 express slot. So right now, and on the side, you have the I/O shield, which I really like a lot. I definitely hate the one that you have to put on the case and separately. I really dislike that. I prefer every motherboard should be like this, but of course the lower end one would not have it, but this one does. It's pretty affordable. Got it for $150, this motherboard. And then you have an HDMI and a display port for display on your TV. If you just want to use your CPU graphics, you have 6 USB 3 slot. You have 1 USB type C right here. You have 1 gigabyte of Ethernet slot. Type C, that's for the audio connection cable that we saw a moment ago. You have 5 audio jacks. This for rear, sub, line in, line out, and mic. And of course, you have the inside here, you have the Supreme FX S122A codec. So, and over here you have the USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. Over here you have 2 USB 2.0 port. And very important, which I really like a lot, is most motherboard comes with, of course, the 12 volt, right? RGB 12 volt. Over here on the left hand side is the RGB 5 volt addressable one, which I really like a lot, because most of my water cooling builds are from Betsky products, so they tend to come with only 5 volt RGB, which I like a lot. I like 5 volt RGB because they're much brighter and more vibrant of a color, so I like that more. Right here is your 8-pin CPU. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button on the bottom right hand side of the screen. So if you're wondering what CPU I am going to use in this motherboard, of course, the only CPU that should be using this motherboard practically is the non-K version, which is the i5-10400. Basically, this is, you do not want to use this i5 because it's not unlocked on a Z490. It's a much more expensive motherboard. You're basically not going to use most of the features in that new motherboard. So the best pairing would be the B460 motherboard with this 10th gen Core i5. We decided to pair this up, and we're going to do a mini ITX build non-full liquid cooling, but there's a video of that coming soon. Hopefully when it gets all my parts in, I can start building it and you guys will see the end result. But thanks a lot, guys. If you guys enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. If I forget anything, I apologize. Just go ahead and comment below and tell me what I missed. But other than that, bye.